Hello students, today I am going to explain a new chapter. That one is perimeter, area and volume. So first of all I am going to explain what is perimeter. So this is the definition of perimeter. The perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shape. So here this is a 2D shape. Okay, so distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shape. So I have given this arrow mark, you just observe those arrow mark. So this is called perimeter. So distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shape is called perimeter. Now come to next. So this is a square, so you have to calculate perimeter of a square. So for this we have to apply two methods. First one, in this square you just see sides are given. Okay, so all the sides of a square are same. So here this is 5 meter, this one is 5 meter, this one is 5 meter and this one is 5 meter. So two methods we have to we will apply to calculate perimeter of a square. Okay, so first one, you just add all the sides, like 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 meter. So perimeter is 20 meter, or you have to put the formula. So perimeter of a square is equal to length of one side into 4. So length of one side means that one is 5, and how many sides are there? That one is 4. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20 meter. Okay, so two methods we have to use to calculate the perimeter of a square. So here perimeter of a square, this is the formula, length of one side into 4. Okay, or you just add all the sides, and all the sides of a square are same. Okay, so these two methods you have to use. So here it is written also, to calculate the perimeter of a square we add the length of each of the four sides. Because the sides of a square have identical lengths, we can use the following formula. So this formula we have to use. Perimeter of a square is equal to length of one side into 4. Is that clear, children? Now come to next. Now perimeter of rectangle. So this is a rectangle. You just see this is the length, okay, and this is the width. Length is 17 feet and width is 8 feet. So here two methods we have to use to calculate perimeter of a rectangle. So here you see this formula, perimeter is equal to A. Suppose this is side A, this is side B, this is side C, or this is side D. Is that clear, children? So you just add those sides, A plus B plus C plus D. So A is 17 feet, B is 8 feet, then C is 17 feet and D is 8 feet. Okay, or you just put a formula like square. Now you just see this is the formula, 2 into length plus width. So 2 into 17, width is 8 feet. This is length is 17 feet. So I have written over there 17 plus 8 is equal to 2 into 25. 17 plus 8 is 25. If you multiply 2 over there, 2 into 25, and this one is 50 feet. Is that clear? So don't forget to write unit. You have to write unit over there after calculation. Okay, so now come to next. So perimeter of irregular shape. Here this is a irregular shape. You just see we have to calculate the perimeter of this figure. So this is 12 cm, this side is 12 cm, this is 6 cm, this is 7 cm, this is 4 cm, this is 5 cm and this is 10 cm. Okay, so you just add those sides. Okay, so now you see I have added over there 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 12 plus 10 whole cm is equal to 44 cm. This is very easy. If irregular shapes are there, you just add all those sides. whatever sides are given. Okay, now come to next. This is one more irregular shape. So here this is 5 cm, this is 8 cm, this is 3 cm, this is 6 cm. Okay, so we just add those 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 22 cm. Like that you have to find. Is that clear, children? Now come to next. So here find the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 10 cm, 14 cm and 15 cm. So how we calculate this one? So this is a triangle. Okay, we have to calculate the perimeter of a triangle. Very simple. We just add all the sides, A plus B plus C. So this is the perimeter of a triangle. This is the formula. So you just see over here, this is 10 cm, this is 14 cm, this is 15 cm. Okay, sum of all the sides. So AB plus BC plus CA, I have written over there. So AB is 10 cm, then BC is 15 cm and CA is 14 cm. So if you add those sides, so you will get 39 cm. So this is our answer. So required perimeter is 39 cm. Okay, this is very simple. You just add all the sides. Is that clear, children?